YouTubians or Topians or whatever you want to be called, because whatever. The point of this video is to say what I'm using to program this. It's Fusion 360, it's the trial version, and we have a trial version of Mach 3. I think it's Mach 3. But that's what by the by. Totally open to suggestions on what to use with this, because I have not a framing clue. It was just what was around. I tried looking into it, found so many programs. I went with Fusion 360 because it seems to be the most common one. A big CNC machine, not able to do metal. It's able to do wood and plastic, and it's just push aluminium. But we haven't tried aluminium, and we think the motors would die because it sort of struggles with wood. I know wood can be easier, but we run it really fast. Down the shed, which you may see if people want to see it. If not, you'll only see bits and pieces of it. There is a vac form. So I can do vac forming. There is a belt sander. There is a pillar drill. Big thing. Comes down. Pillar drill. There's a bandsaw, which is just a giant saw that moves in one direction. There is a thinness planer. I have no idea what that is. That is something my dad said he has, so I'll go with that. There is a angle grinder, a handheld one, if I remember rightly. There is a random assortment of electric drills. There are millions. I can see an electric drill from here, and we're not even in the shed. Yeah, that's how bad the electric drill paraphernalia is, and that's the wrong word. Well done. Frack it. We'll all go with random words, and I can't even stand up tonight. Tonight? It's the morning, or afternoon, or middle day, whatever. It's a time. We're looking in upgrading this, obviously, so we can actually do more stuff, and stuff that's bigger than tiny. We're looking for a mill, hopefully. Yeah, a lathe for steel, and a bench grinder, because a bench grinder would be nice. You can grind stuff. All of this used to be my dad's, as I probably mentioned in the intro, but he's too ill. He's given it up, basically. He'll occasionally be in the background shouting probably profanity at me, or something like that, because fathers are lovely like that. We are learning this machine because it's the cheapest. Cheapest, nastiest, but programming is the same. Code's the same, hopefully. Unless it's a big machine that has its own code. All the code's going to be G-code? G-code. I remember people saying that. Before this, I watched YouTubers. Ironic, isn't it? Person who watch YouTube make YouTube things now. Well, it's a way to do it. I'm going to be trying to use a phone to record after this, because this camera is about infinitely thrilling worse than the camera on the phone, which is ironic. The dedicated camera is worse than the phone, but what can you do? But the phone doesn't have a stand, so I'm going to be trying to make a selfie stick for the camera as on this. So if anyone has any ideas, or not ideas, but designs or something that could work, that would be lovely. Also, if anyone has any suggestions what I should try to make, this has made parts of tanks, parts for airplanes, a model boat that we had that sank because someone ran it into the side of a hole, but that's not the point. Or what we could even get for the future. That would be absolutely amazing. Or, as I said, designs. They might be featured in later episodes, as we attempt to make them, or I attempt to make them. Not really you, unless you're sending me schematics, but that's sort of cheating. If you do, thank you. If you don't, it's fine. It's me trying to make them, you watching me mess up, or succeed, depending on what happens. Hopefully succeed. Because failing is painful, and we'll probably run out of materials at some point, so yay. That's it for this episode, because first 2 episodes on the channel, and not really doing any designy stuff this time. It's more just talking to camera, because camera, hello. Um, so, CNC machine, as I said before, we've got a bandsaw, drill, pillar drill. Did I just say we had a bandsaw? Yes, I did. A belt grinder, we've got the vac form for plastic, in case you don't know. It's moulded plastic, you melt it, pull up a mould, it vac forms it onto the mould, vacuums it onto the mould to make it. And I've just repeated myself, and I probably, yay, because people who are looking at this are probably engineers and probably know that already. But anyway, I'm a novice. Hello!